Hello, Lakshman.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir.
we can start from here. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now what happened? The management, the manager again started. He keep meeting. He meet regular follow-ups with the candidates. Third week, fifth week, seventh week to take updates of the project. To take what? To take update of the current project. By it, what happened? If anything goes wrong here, you can fulfill the commitments. If anything goes wrong here, you can again fulfill. But by reaching this, everybody should reach here. That is the target. And once he reaches to final phase, he may keep meeting. He may keep meeting 2 times a week. Okay. When he reach here, he keep meeting every day meeting because here nothing is there to talk. Just yes, no, closer. Everything is closer. So by this time, he is ready to close the project and deliver because he has to keep 1 week in buffer. If we try to keep this 1 week buffer, even not possible, so they may deliver at first, second day only. They can able to deliver this project on time. Matlab they have successfully implemented the project. How it possible? It is possible via proper communication. Is it that? Is it clear, Lakshman? Hello? Hello? Yes. Now, can you hear me now? Hello? Yes. Hello? Can you hear me now? Unmute yourself.
Yeah, I'm able to hear you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. There is a
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah.
No
Yeah.
problem. Yeah.
I'm able to hear you. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Please proceed, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have seen how projects are disaster. Now we'll see how project is successful. Okay. What he has to do, the
Yeah, sir.
project manager
Mm-hmm.
has to schedule meetings with his team colleagues. Like initially he keep meeting at third
Mm-hmm.
week, and after that he'll keep meeting at fifth week, then he keep meeting at seventh
Mm-hmm.
week. What happened here?
Mm-hmm.
If here people are lagging, he'll try to patch up
Mm-hmm.
here. If they're lagging here,
Mm-hmm.
he try to patch up here. If the consultant is not coming, is not responding, is not picking up the call, he left the
mm,
organization, he left the project, anything may happen. He had to fulfill
yes,
the
sir.
gaps. He has to fulfill the
Mm,
gaps. By this time, everybody should match
mm,
with their work. Okay, because only
sir.
3 weeks are left. In this week, we keep meetings for
Yes, sir.
2 times meeting. But when you reach here, you keep meeting
Mm,
every day.
mm,
Here, after four
mm,
hours, after 4 hours, what happened? Because here nothing to say, only yes, no,
mm.
no modification, nothing.
Ah, sir.
Either you want to,
Mm,
you have to just deliver things or not deliver things. Because here
mm,
you cannot do customization at this phase of time. You just remove that
yes, sir.
process if you don't want. Give it after some
Mm,
time. But whatever is ready, give it to them.
mm, mm,
By this week you have to be ready with all your project. Matlab, you are ready to deliver the things. Either you deliver here
yeah.
or you deliver
Mm,
first day or second day of the 10th
mm,
week. Matlab, you are successfully
mm,
deliver the project. Okay.
mm,
How this works, we'll see one by one. See here what
yes.
happened. Third week. Third week is ready. Now the meeting has started. Then management asks the key project manager, "Okay, MM what happened, SD what happened. What MM tells, so everything
Mm,
goes fine, but we are on second
mm,
week only. So is okay, why?
mm,
Why second week? Sir, here process are
mm,
too tedious, too big, healthy. This process are very big and not understandable properly because
mm,
here they are having internal things on some POs or PPs or inventories or stock. Anything, here explanation.
mm,
What you want? He
mm,
said, "Okay, I want one more consultant
mm,
to complete this week in 10 weeks. I need one more
mm,
consultant for MM."
mm,
Okay, no problem. So your problem will tell. Now we'll see what management will do. Now it's come to SD.
mm,
SD says,
mm,
sir, SD is in first week only. He's not even started
mm,
second. He just completed first week,
mm,
just started one day before
mm,
second week. So Angad asked
mm,
manager what happened. He said, "Ki, sir, this
mm,
all posts are very new to me. I never been work on the
mm,
industry. I was in some
mm,
other industry, but here the industry totally
mm,
different and posts are very new to me. So I want one
mm,
consultant with this industry,
mm, mm, mm.
with this industry knowledge. I want one consultant with this
Yeah.
same industry."
Mm, mm,
By
mm,
what happen, what I can do? They can manage. If same age person can, they can
mm,
able to cope
mm,
up till this week. They cope up. Okay.
mm,
Now FI, FI
mm,
again here.
mm,
They're telling ki, sir, everything goes fine, but customer is very
mm,
rigid on GST and taxes. This tax policies are very
mm,
tedious. Calculations are
mm,
there. If you are working on that, but what they ask one
mm,
chartered accountant as a consultant with tax knowledge,
mm,
with
mm,
the tax knowledge. If he's a CA, you know how to work with taxes
mm.
because he's working whole lifetime for taxes only.
Yes, sir.
Like yeah, so like this manager approve this. Okay, take one consultant, no problem.
Mm,
He also approve, take one consultant. He they approve, take one consultant, no problem. But I want this to be complete by this. Okay. Now
mm,
ABAPer.
mm,
ABAPer are second week only. No problem. What ABAPer does? They
mm,
write up programs. How many lines program? 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 lines program they're writing. The program writing is no problem for that. But
mm,
testing is a tedious because whatever they written, they have to test whether it's working properly or not. Agreed?
mm.
Because they just blindly write coding
Yes,
in
sir.
manager. When manager checks, tabs are not there,
Mm,
save point is not there, exit point is not there, uh, things are not saying
mm,
properly, things are not calculated properly.
mm,
There is a lot of mistakes in calculations, and at the end of the time, you see
mm,
database wrong values, database. It all happens with above only. So what I have said, we need three freshers. We need three fresh ABAPers. For what? For doing testing only. Whatever we done, we need fresh ABAP because we write programs, no problem. Testing takes more time, so we are not able to. We may not able to complete this by this week if we do
mm,
not have three freshers. He said, approved, no problem. It come to basis. Basis tells sir, I have delivered everything. Now waiting for next information from you. When should I start the
mm.
quality server? Everything is good
Yeah.
from my side because I deliver system. I make a client and give to the people where they're working. Now From after 2 3 days, after next week, I will start working on a quality system, because when testing comes, by the time I'll complete my quality.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yes, sir. Tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What
Yeah, yeah,
happened?
yes.
Network glitch
Yeah.
is there.
You want to hear me, sir?
Network.
Yeah, some. Yeah, sir. Some glitch. Hello. Yes, sir. Hello. So you are able to hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, yeah. Are you talking to me?
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Carry on, sir. Yeah. I'm talking with you.
You have got phone call from somebody like that?
No. I was talking with you only.
Oh my God! I thought you were
I
your
don't
call.
know some issue.
Your
No, I
issue
got
in.
some issue. Today I have some trouble with network, sir. I don't know. I
No problem,
switched
sir.
to mobile network now.
No problem. No problem.
Yes, sir.
So like this,
I'll
okay?
fix it. Yeah.
Like this, they fulfill things, okay?
Mhm,
By reaching this week, what
mhm,
happened? This week, everybody is come here because he satisfied all things
mhm,
properly. Okay, they
mhm,
completely do this task on time.
mhm.
Here, everybody reaches here very easily.
Yes.
Okay, by
Mhm,
doing all these things, they're about to start this.
mhm,
Now, manager is happy, okay, everything goes
mhm,
fine. Like in this fashion, if they work, they are easily cover things and deliver things on time, because manager
okay.
listen to them
Mhm,
and fulfill all these things on first week itself. If you didn't all
yeah.
till this time, after that also, if you arrange
Mhm,
all these things, they aren't able to deliver these things on time. Agreed?
yeah.
Yeah. So
I
here
agree,
what
sir.
happened? See, many points are there. In we also face many issues. Somebody left the organization.
Mhm,
Somebody have some immediate medical emergency traveling. Okay, and somebody got some
yeah.
marriage. This though they have to leave, and we have to inform manager on the same day. This guy has left. We need
Mhm,
some consultant immediately. What manager does within a day or
mhm.
two, he will give to fill that gap. Otherwise, you will not able to deliver things on time.
Time. Yeah.
This is the successful way of implementation. And previously, we have seen
Mhm,
how things may be disaster if you don't communicate
mhm.
things properly with the consultants.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this phase is complete properly. Okay. Now you see
Yes, sir.
test and training phase. So what is the test and training
Mhm,
phase? Here, basis guy is ready with the quality system. I said quality system is
mhm,
ready
mhm,
and creating users, assign roles as per the module.
mhm,
See, here he has to create users. How many users? MM2 users, SD2 users, FI2 users. Only 6 users in
mhm,
the whole
mhm,
system. Okay. Then
mhm,
they started testing. Okay.
mhm,
They started testing, and if anything goes wrong,
mhm,
they again give it back to the team saying that "Ki, this is not working.
mhm,
So whatever change they want, they will do within the under this phase having 7 weeks staff time.
mhm. Okay.
Test and training both run parallelly. Test will taken care by
Mhm,
functional team only, and training also taken by functional team only. This is done
mhm,
by customers. Customer consultant will take care.
mhm.
This will take by you. Our consultant will take care of this.
Okay.
Because training phase means
Mhm,
what? You have to train your people.
mhm,
Train people means you have to call all the managers from all the plants, all the areas, and then there's a policy of
mhm.
teaching. The first 3 weeks you have to train them properly.
That each models will teach their users, right, sir?
Exactly. MM will teach
Uh,
MM,
yeah.
SD will teach SD
Uh,
will teach SD, FI will teach FI.
yeah. Basis nothing to do here, right?
Basis nothing. Basis only say ki where you have to install GUI and like to connect over here. If anything goes wrong, what
Mm,
need to be checked? How to check
mm,
IP address? How to check system is running or not? Otherwise, this test lol ki ऐसे भी बंद हुआ ऐसे ही बंद हुआ. So he will give some glimpse,
mhm,
basic incident, saying if something goes wrong,
mm.
what need to be done as a prior step before coming to me.
Okay.
If MM will teach for
So
three
that is the
days,
trend.
yeah. If MM will teach three
Mhm.
4 days, but basis will teach for only one day.
One day, that first initial day, like how to use the
Yeah, GUI and all.
GUI, client
Uh,
GUI.
If any
Okay.
issues come, how to tackle the issues, everything is done by base only.
Basis. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Got it.
Okay. Then this training phase is completed. Testing phase will complete in
Mm,
7 weeks, and training also. First 3 weeks you have to
mm,
teach them everything, because you will make on some booklet to teach them. You have to show them each enter each SNAP key, because SAP
mm.
have many fields to enter for creating PO and PR,
Yes.
tax policy. This
Yes.
the next week you have to just shadow them. Shadow them. Don't teach them. Just see what they are
Yes.
doing. For next 2 weeks, you have to just shadow them.
Yeah. Yeah.
And 6th week they will start work independently.
Yeah.
Okay, like that,
Yeah.
like that. Next, this
Mm,
7 weeks over. Okay, then in
okay.
next 7 weeks, whole company is able to start working on SAP. But they're ready for working SAP because they know
Mm,
everything. 7 weeks here, 7 weeks
mm,
there. Okay,
mm.
in 14 weeks time, your 2,000 employees are ready to work on SAP. But
Yes.
initially, when they start, but they will get some errors for few days. Then they will manage to work on with that error free only.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
this is what this phase. Okay, now here,
Well, test and training.
yeah, now the go live phase. Go
Mm.
live phase is a tedious phase for basis. Okay, yes, basis they have
Okay.
to build production server. Okay,
Mm,
they have to do all basic configuration, pre steps, post steps,
mm,
patch upgrade, kernel upgrade. After
mm,
after that, he has to create 2,000 users also. Because first time you have to
mm,
create users in production, because if user ID is not there, how user can work?
mm,
Create users, create roles.
mm.
For 2,000 users,
Okay.
you create roles. After
Mm,
creating roles, you have to test roles also. Key SD will get only SD, MM will get MM only. Who will test? Functional
mm,
team. Functional team will test and confirm that these roles are perfect,
mm.
because
Okay.
they will test all the pros and give it to basis cell key. Now this is old is okay.
Mm,
This will can send to the users. Then you get a user list.
mm,
In 2,000 users, 300 maybe of FI, 400 maybe of
mm,
MM, 700 maybe of HR.
mm,
Like thing, depending
mm,
upon that, you have to assign all the roles
mm,
before 2 days of go
mm.
live. Before two
Okay.
days of go live.
Mm,
Okay.
mm. Yeah. Any automation to create multiple users here? I mean, in SAP,
Yes, yes.
or we
There
have to
are
create manually?
no, no. There are many things automation, sir. Nothing is here.
Mm,
So we just see. Once you create one user, you can copy them. You can copy it. Otherwise, you can create 10 users at a time. No problem. But roles you need to give it separately.
separately, yeah, that we can. But
Address
in
is
bunch
see.
of users, we can.
See, address is different for all. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
address is different for all, and roles are different. But two tabs you have to create manually.
Okay.
Remaining three tabs, automatically no problem. But you have to see,
Mm,
no two names or no two addresses are same. Every something is unique you have to put manually, and roles for each user.
mm,
There is something different in a role. Okay,
okay,
like
sir.
that you have to create. You have to take care of those things. Otherwise, 2,000
Mm,
creation is job of 1 or 2 days only. But you have to do manual entries,
mm,
and after entering, you have to test to the functional team whether it's working or fine or not. It will take some time.
mm,
Okay.
okay.
For this task, what
And
happened?
it is not user creation is not taken care by security team, right, sir?
Not like that, sir. If it's a big company, the security will take care. If
Mm,
it's a small company, see, if you
mm,
initially you work with small companies, you will get to
mm,
work on each and every step. Otherwise, if you go to
mm,
very big company, there you have only one thing: create users, bus, create
mm,
roles, bus,
mm,
create
mm,
transports,
mm,
take backups. So you
mm,
cannot learn anything.
mm,
If you have some production company initially, small company, where they have
mm,
only one
mm.
consultant who looks after everything, so you will learn everything. Six
Okay.
months you can learn everything, because you have to
Okay.
perform all the activities. You have only one subordinate,
Yeah.
you have only one,
Mm,
two persons. You are there, but if you go to big company, there are 25, 30
mm,
consultants are there.
yeah.
So your work is less, but you cannot learn anything. They won't give you rights to access anything else also. They will give that access only to
Mm,
you.
okay.
There is a thing with a small company, big company. No issues, we'll see.
Yeah. Yes.
But in last phase, base consultant,
Mm,
he will had one or two more base consultant with him to
mm,
complete his activity.
okay.
Okay. Now everything is live. Now you can
Mm,
go to hypercare support. What is
mm,
hypercare support? Hypercare support post go live support.
yeah.
Matlab, what happened here? Here the person will learn more. MM, SD, FI
Mm,
base also. But if I do some
mm,
manufacturing configuration, how it will impact, how many errors he will get.
Mhm.
If you implement automobile industry, how it works and how many errors will come. They will learn many
Mhm.
things about the industry over here.
Mhm.
कि there are some errors which are born by industry only. So you can learn कि in this
Mhm.
industry I have to work like this on rules or config,
Mhm.
FI config. So here everything is
Mhm.
done. But this post goes live support is for 45 days.
Mhm.
In this 45 days, you have to make
Mhm.
errors to zero.
Zero. Okay.
Okay, then you hand it to customer, you can leave.
Mhm. Mhm.
See, 300 issues, you can make it
Mhm.
zero and left in SAP. Okay, this
Mhm.
is how the things which I'm going to share with you about the implementation. And the coming chapters,
Yeah.
like from next sessions, what are you going to see? We're going to see a landscape, how SAP landscape works,
Mhm.
landscape environment.
Mhm. Sure.
Then we'll see the architecture of SAP, how SAP architecture works. Okay.
Mhm.
Then we will see roles
Mhm.
of basis admin.
Mhm.
What are the duties? Weekly
Mhm.
activities, monthly activities, emergency activities, shutdown activities. Okay.
Mhm.
Then we have see
Mhm.
release strategies. Then we see sizing.
Mhm.
Sizing means, sir,
Mhm.
how to size for 200 people, how to size for 500 people, how to size the hardware for
Mhm.
1000 people. These all we all see.
Mhm.
Okay. Then once we
Mhm.
complete all
Yeah.
these things, then we will jump on to the live servers.
Okay, sir.
Once we complete all these things, we jump on to live server. And I
Mhm.
told you, na, today I've taken one server for HANA also. This is HANA
Okay,
server,
sir.
and this is for
Mhm.
testing purpose. This is for users.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
I'll show you. Today only evening I got this.
Oh, is it, sir? Okay.
Yeah.
You have ECC also, right, sir?
Yeah, it has got this also. No?
Mhm.
Even the server, into server,
Yeah.
you can check the status of server.
Yeah.
This is the latest patch, and this is SAP 757 means HANA. Okay.
Okay. Now, what is ECC and HANA, sir? I mean, ECC client, how it will be?
What? See here,
SAP ECC, ECC.
ECC means other than HANA database, like Oracle
Okay.
database, Sybase database, because we have got, I think in demo we have seen we have 5 databases to work on.
Mhm.
This is the sixth database
And
introduced by SAP,
mhm.
sixth database, and it is a ownership with SAP only, HANA one. And
Okay.
Oracle, they have to
Mhm.
take, they have to pay to Oracle, SQL,
Mhm.
DB2,
Mhm.
MaxDB, Sybase. These
Mhm.
are the third-party vendors. SAP has to pay
Mhm.
every year licensing cost to them. But once HANA came into scenario, it's an in-house project,
Mhm.
in-house uh, database. So they even
Mhm.
don't need to pay anybody because it's a in-house database. Okay.
Okay. So now, if here it is HANA DB, if
Uh,
we are using Oracle, how it will show here, sir? How will, as this is HANA, right? HANA client. If
uh,
it is ECC client, how it will be, sir?
everything. This is my
You have
this is Oracle one. This is Oracle one. Okay.
okay. Sir.
This is a other than other
Oracle.
than other than SAP. Sorry, other than ANA. You can see status.
Mhm.
Everything looks same. Nothing great. See MS
Okay.
SQL. This is MS SQL. See These of SQL, okay?
Databases.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Previously it was HANA. Now it is
Mm-hmm.
SQL. Okay, like this. Nothing great.
For this, we need to do some configuration, right, sir? I mean, to configure this database.
No, no, no. Just we have
Any?
to specify the IP address of database. That's it. Matlab, from
Okay. It will.
the application where it has to go and
Mhm.
search for database, because we installed with
Mhm.
because it will communicate everything on IP address only, na?
Yeah, yeah,
If you
yeah,
go
sir.
IP path, it will start taking things from there only.
Any
So
special configuration or anything we need to
no, no,
do
only
for that?
no, no, only one piece of paper we have to configure on that. Only one piece of paper.
Mhm.
So when we do installation, we'll see what we have done,
Mhm.
what we'll do. Okay.
Okay.
So you just see, look into this. Next week again we'll connect and we'll have some more session on the things which are discussed now, like this. Where was this? Basis demo. See the landscape we have, architecture we have,
Mhm.
roles we have. All this we want to discuss.
Mhm.
Then we'll jump onto live server after this completion of all this. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
So thanks Lakshma for our time today. We'll meet
Thank you.
again next
Thank you,
Saturday.
sir.
Okay.
Yeah. And sir, this which methodology we use, sir, actually, usually for this implementation?
ASAP methodology.
ASAP, right? Okay.
Yeah, ASAP only.
There is one more activate methodology also there, right, sir?
No, no, we use SAP only. That is the theory, most theoretical part inside, so no issue with that. First, you see all these
Uh-huh.
things very easily. When you
Okay.
start working with systems now, at the time you will get
Mhm.
everything very easily.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
no
Yeah.
problem.
Because I know there's some green field, some blue field or something will come,
No,
right,
no,
sir?
green field and
The,
brown field.
sorry, brown field. Yeah.
Yeah, so hi,
So
those are
those
also
also.
there. Yeah, those are also there. Okay,
Uh,
we'll cover that.
so you
We'll
will
cover that.
cover
Yeah,
those.
yeah, yeah. We'll cover that also. No problem. Okay.